Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Cheetah Pro and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the select button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should be the brightness icon. Looks like the sun basically. And to adjust the screen brightness, you can tap on this icon. By default, the auto brightness will be enabled. But if you want to adjust the brightness and you want it to stay at the level you adjusted it to, you need to disable the auto brightness and then adjust the brightness by swiping up and down on the slider. And once you adjust the brightness to your liking, you can press the back button to go back, like this. You can also adjust the screen brightness through the settings. So we can press the select button on the home screen to open the menu, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, then tap on it. Here we can find the display option and tap on it, and then tap on brightness. And we can adjust the brightness to our liking and then go back, like this. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.